Hello. Now, in this session, I want to give you an overview of the last feature which you can use in your groups to support group work. Now, I'll be talking about the how to use the group discussion feature, and I will also talk about uh, how to use the file exchange. So, if you go into a group, again, I'll be using Group Z for demonstration purposes. Again, you'll be able to see your group members listed and you'll be able to see the group tools that are available. In my last two videos, I did talk about how to use the send email feature and how to use the group wiki. Now I'm going to sum up by looking at the group discussion board feature and give you an overview also on how to use the file exchange. Now, for the group discussion, let me go back for the group discussion. So if I take you back to the group, now for the group discussion, the purpose of this feature again is to be used for collaboration purposes. So what you want to do is to start a conversation in your group about, for example, on how you're going to work on the assignment. So you have the assignment that's already been given out, but no one in your group has an idea on how you're going to work on it. So what you could do here is you'll go into your group. So again, do not create a thread. Go into your group, and you're in group Z. And what you'll do in group Z, you'll create a thread in group Z. I think I just did this yesterday, but you create a thread in your group. And when you create a thread, for example, just do create thread and you name it uh, plan A. Let's say you have a plan A on how you want to work on the assignment. So you create a thread about plan A and you ask your group members a question on the ideas, on brainstorming, on how they want to work on the assignment. So what each member will do is to click on that particular thread and maybe give their views on what they think would be the best approach of working on the assignment. So to do so, each member will have to reply to that particular thread because that thread was created by one person initially asking a question about something, and therefore to try to find what the solution or what the members' ideas are will be the best approach will be to reply and reply to the same thread. That way we have a list of all the communication relating to one particular subject, which is again in this case is a plan A on. We could say, for example, we're going to divide the work among group members, evenly. That was if that was the plan A approach. Then we have members contributing, trying to say, what are the thoughts about that plan A. Now, if you have a different plan, you could also address it there. Again, members will see what the communication is, and members could agree there. Okay, let's agree, let's work using this plan A, and so on. But again, it's for collaboration purposes. It's there to support again the group assignment. Or could be, members had a question about, let's say, one of the question on the case study. So if that was the case, it would be, question for help. Or maybe a member is stuck. You did divide the work among the group members, but for some reason, one member maybe stuck on a particular concept of the case study. So it could be, they could create a thread pertaining to that particular concept, and members are allowed to go in and also contribute. Again, you're supporting your own member on that particular issue that they're trying to address. So hopefully this information helps, and again, I'm hoping that you'll take advantage of the group discussion feature to try to collaborate to work in groups. The other feature that I want just to mention, there's nothing much about it, and that is the the file exchange. So with the file exchange, what you're trying to do is basically to share a file among your group members. So what the members will do, you go to file exchange and you basically upload a file. So you could have a Word document, you have a PDF, or could be even the document pertaining to the same assignment, and you want to share it to your group members, and you will just go ahead and add a file, browse. So you do add a file, and you could browse where the file is on your desktop, attach the file, and submit. So members again have access to that particular file, because it could be maybe that file is there to supplement the group work. So again, I hope you are able to use these tools. So take some time, explore on how to use these tools in your own, and ask questions if you have any. And again, the key idea is communication. So keep up the communication with your group members, and you'll have no issue when it comes to working in a group. So let me know if you have any questions, and see you soon. Thank you.